October 8th. Currently in Minnesota, not sure what city. Me and my brother. Do you want to be on the camera? Oh, my brother. Spaz.
Who's talking?
We're heading to Comstock or Comstock, Minnesota. Let me turn off this music. So my friend bought this cool. Oh man, it's nice out here. There's so many lakes. My friend bought this cool historic building. It's an old high school or old school in that town, and so I'm driving there to go check it out. But before I go there, we're gonna stop in Wheaton, Minnesota, and try to fish. Let's see how that goes. Man, it's so nice out here. Well, that's all I caught. The little baby white bass. As for that guy, he caught a small little rock bass. Alright, to Comstock, Minnesota we go. It's about an hour away from here. Let's go. Wait, I think we're going to Fargo. Fargo, North Dakota. Man, their food here is so good.